So you want to start your business with a pen? Most people think you need thousands of dollars, a massive warehouse, or a unique invention to start a profitable business in the United States. But the truth is, you can start a highly scalable, high-profit business using one of the cheapest and most common items in the world, a simple writing pen. In this video, we are not talking about expensive luxury brands or complex theories. We are giving you a practical, step-by-step blueprint on how you can personally buy regular pens at their actual wholesale price, customize them from your bedroom, and sell them directly to local businesses for a massive profit. If you are ready to stop watching others get rich and want to start your own micro business today, this is the exact guide you need to follow.
Let's start with step number 1, sourcing at the real wholesale price. When you buy a pack of pens from a local retail store or office supply shop, you are paying around 50 cents to $1 per pen. If you try to resell those, your business is dead before it starts. To make real money, you need to buy at the factory level. Through major wholesale platforms like Alibaba or specialized US-based promotional distributors, the real price of a standard, high-quality plastic click pen with a comfortable grip is between 8 cents and 15 cents per unit. Your initial goal is to order a bulk test batch of 5,000 pens, which will cost you a total investment of only $500 to $750. This is your entire starting inventory, and it fits completely inside a single cardboard box in your room. Step number 2, choosing your business model and your target market. You are not selling these pens to individual students or random people on the street. Your target market is local businesses that need promotional merchandise. Think about real estate agencies, local dental clinics, insurance brokers, car repair shops, and law firms. Every single one of these businesses hands out hundreds of free pens to their clients every single month to keep their phone number and logo inside the customer's house. This is a recurring expense for them. Your business model is to buy these blank 15-cent pens, customize them with the local business's logo, phone number, and website, and sell them back to them in bulk packs of 500 or 1,000 units. This brings us to step number 3, low-cost customization. To print a logo or text onto these pens, you do not need a massive commercial printing press. When you are just starting out, you have 2 highly affordable options. Option A is to buy a desktop pad printing machine or a mini UV printer, which costs a few $100s and fits right on your desk. This allows you to print high-quality, permanent color logos onto hundreds of pens per hour. Option B, which requires 0 equipment cost, is to negotiate directly with the wholesale factory during your sourcing step. Most large suppliers will print a custom logo onto your bulk order for an extra 1 or 2 cents per pen. By letting the factory do the printing, your total cost for a fully customized, branded pen is still under 17 cents. Step number 4, direct outreach and closing your first business clients. Now that you have your product ready, you need to get your first orders. The best part about this business is that you do not need to spend money on expensive online ads. You use the direct local outreach strategy. Open Google Maps and make a list of 50 local businesses in your city that rely heavily on local clients, like insurance agents or clinics. Walk into their offices professionally or call them directly. Do not try to sell them a pen over the phone. Instead, ask for the office manager and hand them a physical sample of a pen printed with their actual company name and phone number. When a business owner holds a high-quality pen with their own logo on it, the psychology changes. They instantly see the value. Step number 5, setting your prices for maximum profit. Let's do the real math so you can see how this makes you rich. Your total cost to source and customize one pen is roughly 17 cents. When you sell these customized pens to local businesses in bulk, the standard market price is between $1 and $1.50 per pen. If you secure a single order of 1,000 pens from a local real estate agency at $1 per unit, that is $1,000 in total revenue. Since your cost for those 1,000 pens was only $170, you walk away with a clean profit of $830 from just one single client. If you close just 5 local clients a month, you are looking at over $4,000 in pure monthly profit. Step number 6, automating and scaling to invoicing contracts. Once you secure your first few clients and deliver their orders on time, you transition them into a recurring subscription or a contract model. Promotional pens get lost, run out of ink, and are given away constantly. A busy dental office or real estate firm will go through thousands of pens every single year. You offer them a discounted rate if they sign a 6-month or 1-year supply contract, where you automatically deliver 500 new customized pens to their office every single month. This transforms your active sales hustle into a predictable, automated, monthly passive income stream, allowing you to focus entirely on finding new business sectors to expand your route. Finally, step number 7, launching your online B2B storefront. To scale this business beyond your local city and sell nationwide across the United States, you need a simple Shopify website. Name your store something professional related to business branding. Upload high-quality mock-ups of your pens, showing how clean a corporate logo looks on them. Offer a simple, seamless bulk ordering system where a business owner anywhere in the U.S. can upload their logo file, select their pen color, choose their quantity, and check out in under 2 minutes. By offering free shipping on orders over 500 units, and using basic, organic, short-form videos to showcase your printing process on TikTok and Instagram, you can attract corporate clients from every state without ever leaving your house. The microeconomics of starting a business with a pen are incredibly powerful because the barrier to entry is virtually non-existent. You are buying a highly demanded, everyday business essential for literal pennies, adding massive value through simple customization and reselling it at a high margin to corporate clients who already have a dedicated budget for marketing merchandise. It is a completely recession-proof business because local services always need to advertise, no matter what the economy looks like. You don't need a huge warehouse. The entire operation can be run from a small desk in your room, and you can scale the business as fast as your hustle allows. By focusing on real factory pricing, direct business-to-business sales, and high-margin bulk orders, you can turn a basic writing tool into a highly sustainable, independent income stream. This is the exact, real-world roadmap to launching your business and building wealth from scratch in this incredible niche. If you found this detailed, step-by-step practical guide valuable and want to see more real business blueprints that you can start today, make sure to hit that subscribe button on microeconomics. Drop your questions or the name of your city in the comments below so we can discuss the best local businesses for you to target first. And we will see you in the next video.